Hello and welcome to the N-Star training session for replicating the observation rules created for various activities to other classes. For this, click on the N-Star button and select Module Examination. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the examination module. Click on the button Business Rules and select the screen Observation Rules. As the screen opens, click on the class from which you want to replicate the rules to other classes. So first select the class for which we have already defined the observation rule. Select based on option as activity and select the activity type as non-academic because we are trying to replicate the observation rule for co-scholastic activities. After this, in the activity box from the list of co-scholastic activities, select and check for the activity whether the observation rule has been created to replicate. Since it is available, now we have to check the other class to which we have to replicate it. So I'm changing the class and selecting class 9. Select the based on option as activity and select activity type as non-academic. After this, select the activity and as we see, there is no observation rule created for the selected activity. So we can replicate to this subject. Now go back and select the class from which it needs to be copied. Select activity as based on option. Select activity type and select the activity name. And click on the button Replicate Observation Rule to other classes. As you click on the button, a small window Observation Rule Replication opens, displaying the list of all the class names. Select the class name to which you want to replicate the observation rule of the selected activity and class. Click on the Replicate button and click Yes on the confirmation message to replicate. As you click on the confirmation message, the observation rules have been replicated successfully message appears. Click OK on the message and go back and change the class to check whether the observation rule has been replicated. Selecting class 9 based on option as activity, selecting the activity type and selecting the activity name for which we replicated. And now we can see that the observation rule has been created for class 9 also. Repeat these steps for other classes and other activities as required. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. The replication of the observation rule for activity is to be done individually for the activity. Once you have replicated, the observation rule will appear for the activity in the replicated classes. Thank you for watching this video.